Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Thursday, July the 16th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. 100% free. Excuse me. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. And the room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email that you are getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. All right, well, a little bit of activity for me this morning. I just want to draw your attention to B as my namesake. BE. This is one that we traded yesterday, and I kept talking about how this could turn into a really, really good looking swing trade. Look at it on actually, if I look at it on the monthly chart, it even looks better. There you go. So look at it on the monthly chart. So this is today's month, or this is the monthly candle for July, of course. Just a minute, please. Let me shut off that annoying beeping from my phone. Just give me a second. Okay. So this is the monthly candle, and you can see now it has taken all of this out of the equation. So when you look left, you see $34. Now, I'm not saying it's going to get there, but that is exactly what we're looking for. When I say looking for charts like this. I don't think it's going to get up to 34, but at least you don't have to worry about chart resistance. And so these are the what if scenarios. What if you held this, with a stop in place, what would happen? If it keeps trying to fill in this void, this gap. So anyway, I did not hold this yesterday. I traded it. I traded out of it yesterday. I didn't like the way it closed at the end of the day. I wanted it to close more above 18, but it just didn't do that. So I exited the trade. But I did get back into the trade right at basically at its high, and took the trade at 18.25 and was riding it thinking, man, am I going to hold it? I did take some off at 19.34, so a little over $1. And then it started to slide, and I'm not in the trade anymore. So we'll see. To swing trade, of course, your stops are going to be a lot further away than if you're day trading. But why did that appear? Just a second. Okay, just want to make sure my music didn't show up. Give me a moment here. There we go. So if you're swing trading, you're going to have a far wider stop. But I'm just not much of a swing trader. It's that simple. But this still has a lot of. Oh boy! And here's one that I wanted to. I was going to short. I was hoping that it wouldn't do anything till I got back. This ACIU, the break under 10. Look at this. It had a tremendous pop in the pre-market, but it's really fading badly now. It had some news, Alzheimer's drug, and a tremendous pop, but it's really, really fading now. The other one that I am watching, and let's see if it, ETTX. Yeah, so I'm watching this one. This came in the basic new highs and lows. And why am I watching it? If you take a look at let's get to the monthly chart. Yeah, so you can see there is room up to around $5. Okay, again, I'm not saying it's going to get there. Now, there are a couple things that have to happen, though. Get back to that 15-minute time frame. So what I'm looking for, you see, look at that volume that came in, and that volume happened on, looks like on what candle? That candle there. Not the previous one, interesting. But what we're waiting for is maybe another, it doesn't have to be that big, but another big volume burst to take us through the other, this area right there is important because the 200-day moving average is at 416. So, that's what I'm kind of waiting on. It may not happen. It just may not happen. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. But that's why I have a price alert set up here. If it takes it out and it's on volume, then it may have a shot to get into that void of around up to that 5 area. So those are the two things that I'm waiting on, and that's about it for today in terms of the not very much activity really in the AI today to talk about. So this didn't I didn't want to I did want to talk about the BE and the potential to swing it. Again, you have to make up your own mind if that makes sense to you. But certainly, if it keeps holding the way it's holding, it has a lot of room to that 37 level that it could start to fill in. All right, everybody, I want to close this down, get back into the trading room. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. The link for the free room, I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow.